How to become a published author. Have you ever thought, have you ever dreamed of seeing your name on the cover of a book? Becoming a published author may feel overwhelming, but the truth is, it is achievable than you think. In this video, I'll walk you through the key steps to become a published author and turn your ideas into a finished book. Step 1. Write your manuscript, because your manuscript will not write itself. Every book begins with a story or an idea. Start by choosing a topic you are passionate about: fiction, non-fiction, academic, or inspirational writing. Create a simple outline and write consistently, even if it's just a few pages a day. Remember, your first draft does not have to be perfect. It just must be written. Now, step 2, editing and refine your work. Once your manuscript is complete, the next step is editing. This includes checking for clarity, grammar, structure, and flow. You can start with self-editing, but professional editing is highly recommended. A well-edited manuscript makes a huge difference in the quality and credibility of your book. Now, choose your publishing path. There are different paths to publish a book. You can pursue a traditional publishing, where a publishing house handles your production and distribution, or self-publishing, when you maintain full control of your book. Working with a professional publishing company helps simplify the process and ensures your book meets industrial standards. Design and production. Book design matters more than you might think. A professional cover design and well-formatted interior pages make your book attractive and readable. This step transforms your manuscript into a real book, both in print and digital formats. Step 5. Distribution and promotion. Publishing does not end with printing, but promoting your book through social media, book launches. Promotion is key to building visibility or readership. Now, become a published author is not just about writing a book. It is about sharing your voice with the world. With dedication, guidance, and the right support, your story can become a published work that inspires others. If you are ready to take the next step in your author journey, start today. Your story matters. Generation is waiting for your story. For more writing and publishing tips, so be sure to attend our upcoming webinar, January 31st. Connect with us on our social platform. Click on the link below to register for our webinar. You will be glad you did. Let's turn your idea into book. Yes, we are ready to help you. Attend the webinar and you'll be glad you did. See you on 31st of January 2026, where we hold your hand, where we share with you how you can start writing, or if you have written before, how we can help you to turn that manuscript into a well-published book. And you'll be glad you did. God bless you. I see you at the top. My name is Joy. I am the CEO of Joy of Many Generations. God bless you once again. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.